Just try out with this one. It's more difficult than you think. Right, my New Year's resolution is to learn how to fly remote control helicopters, and I really want a big one actually. This is for kids, but you've got to start somewhere because I expect to crash into walls just a little bit, and that's why I chose this one. Let's just unbox it, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this thing. Right, obviously this is the helicopter, and for that to operate you need the remote control. The helicopter comes with a built-in battery, and you can charge that battery using the remote control. The remote control is powered by 6 AA batteries, 10 light type, like these.
Okay.
Which you have to buy separately, by the way. They do not come in standard with the product. Like I said, you can charge the helicopter with the use of the remote control. This is the plug for it. You plug it in over here. Right, when the remote control is on, this one should go to charging, but because the battery is still quite full, it's not charging at the moment. But when it's charging, this light turns green, and when it's full, it turns off. Right. Right, okay, so you've got 3 channel settings on this remote control, and the channel you need to use depends on the channel that is on the helicopter, and this is B. So you need to make sure that the channel settings are the same. B here, B over here. Well, there's a manual that comes with it, also in English with some handy tips how to fly it. Also an explanation in more detail about the remote control. When you do crash into something and you need a new rotor, there's a spare set over here as well. Right.
Good.
That's it.